Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Zelle not working on Wells Fargo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If Zelle is not working properly with your Wells Fargo account, what you need to do is first head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on search bar and type in Wells Fargo. Now once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is verify your mobile number or email for Zelle. Zelle requires you to register your mobile number or email address to send and receive money. If it's not properly linked or verified, transaction won't go through. So in order to verify, what you need to do is log into your Wells Fargo app or online banking, navigate to Zelle section, typically under transfers or send money. Ensure that your phone number or email address is correctly linked to your Wells Fargo account for Zelle. If it's not linked, follow the instructions to add or verify your mobile number or email, and check for Zelle service outage as well. Ensure you are using the correct Zelle transfer method as well. When sending money to someone via Zelle, make sure you are sending it to the correct email or mobile number that the recipient has registered with Zelle. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.